body-breaking fever, vomiting, diarrhea, disorientation and tremors. Some of the symptoms which are being seen among the children rushing for admittance at Muzaffarpur's hospitals these days. Based on the symptoms, doctors are terming their ailment encephalitis, though the lab tests conducted so far have not been able to identify the exact viral strain causing the infection. For convenience, the affliction has been dubbed acute encephalitis syndrome or AES, although no definite line of treatment has been identified. With the death toll climbing, both the state and central governments have realized the urgent need to tackle the disease.
वहाँ के सरकारी विभागों से, गैर सरकारी विभागों से, धार्मिक नेताओं से सबसे हमारी अपील है कि इन बच्चों को बचाने के लिए बड़े पैमाने पर वहाँ पर युद्ध स्तर पर काम करें और उसमें सरकार का सहयोग करें.
The disease first surfaced in the state 33 years ago, and since then it has been claiming the lives of 1,000 to 1,500 children every year and maiming thousands more. 60 districts in the states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam and Tamil Nadu are the worst affected. An estimate says nearly 50,000 children have lost their lives to this disease in the country so far. Lakhs of children have also been left physically and mentally disabled. In 2005, when the media raised a hue and cry over the toll being taken by the disease, the government imported a vaccine from China. The use of this vaccine led to a marked decrease in cases of Japanese encephalitis spread by mosquitoes, but enterovirus encephalitis, which spreads through contaminated water, still prevails. The central government has directed that 100 ventilators be provided immediately to the Gorakhpur Medical College.
हमें जो भी रिसर्च करनी है, जो भी वैक्सीनेशन करना है, जो भी ट्रीटमेंट करना है, उसको हम बड़े पैमाने पर करेंगे. मैं स्वयं जो सेंटर फॉर डिजीज़ कंट्रोल एटलांटा यूएसए के अधिकारियों से इस बीमारी से जुड़ी हुई रिसर्च के बारे में चर्चा करने वाला हूँ.
A vaccine called GenVac too has been developed indigenously last year, but its usage is yet to become extensive. It's effective in the case of Japanese encephalitis, which is spread by the Culex mosquito. It can lead to the swelling of the brain and permanent disability or death. The best ways to stay safe are: use mosquito nets while sleeping at night, keep the body covered as much as possible during the day, use mosquito repellents, do not let water stagnate near homes, spray insecticide on any stagnant water, keep vessels or tanks storing water covered, keep stray pigs, livestock and water-dwelling birds at bay. Another factor weakening the war on encephalitis is the lack of profitability for pharma multinationals in coming up with cures and vaccines. The West sees little chance of the disease travelling to their parts of the globe. It does not seem to be a big priority even for the World Health Organization. The centre and state governments have spent thousands of crores to tackle the ailment with little success, which raises inherent questions. But now a new government in New Delhi is claiming to tackle the disease on a war footing, which seems to be a promising prospect. With KK Kaushik in Muzaffarpur and Nitendra Singh in Delhi, DD News.